Hey everybody, Professor Matt, Balance Jiu-Jitsu. I'm here with the Balance crew, and today they're going to demonstrate how to apply a rear naked choke. I'd like to give a big shout out to Strawberry Pizza for the request. Welcome back to all our current subscribers, and if you're new here, please take the time to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. The rear naked choke is a choke hold in Jiu-Jitsu that is applied from your opponent's back. The word naked in this context suggests that, unlike other strangulations found in Jiu-Jitsu, this hold does not require the use of the training uniform known as the gi. And we have two variations. You can do a single arm rear naked choke like we can see Double Gold doing here, and you can also apply with two arms as we see Double Gold doing here. Let's dive in and take a look at the details to the rear naked choke. To start, we're going to need to be able to control our opponent's ability to rotate. We can achieve this by controlling our opponent's top left corner with our elbow and using a motorcycle grip to control the bottom right corner. A classic seatbelt can also be used to control rotation. First, you're going to move from control to attack. We want to make sure that we're hiding our choking hand. If we go the other way around, when our opponent chooses to defend, we're not going to be able to slip our choking hand in. As Marcia defends the underhook arm, Logan can still attack a choke. If your opponent's good at keeping their chin down, it's going to be really hard to get our hand in. We don't want to use a tight fist. We need to make what's called an arrowhead, and now we can use our thumb to start slipping in underneath our opponent's chin. Once we get under the chin, we can open our fingers to help crawl and slip the arm in under the chin, making sure the elbow is in line with the chin. Here's a look at a different way to get your arm in under the chin. We cap the shoulder and keep our opponent close. Applying downward pressure with the elbow, Double Gold's going to now look to remove his second arm. We want to make sure that we don't outstretch our arm and get it caught here. Double Gold's going to move Marcia's head out of the way with his head and punch his hand right in. Logan's going to bring his elbows together while applying the choke. You can also take a big breath in to fill in the space, but it's not necessary. Squeezing his knees and stretching his legs out will hang Marcia into the choke. For the single arm choke, Logan's going to cap Marcia's left shoulder and drag his elbow across her right shoulder. That brings us to the end of our rear naked choke video. If you picked up any new details from this video, hit that like button. Also, it helps this video a lot if you share it with a friend. We'd like to thank all of our current subscribers and welcome anybody that's new to the channel. If you are new, please take the time to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. Thanks so much to anybody who stayed all the way to the end of the video. This is Professor Matt signing off. Now go train and train hard, my friends.